ChatGPT hacks that you should know as a digital marketer in 2025. Yes, today I'm going to cover a very important topic, which I believe that all digital marketers, especially in 2025, should be aware of. See, the reality is, I meet a lot of digital marketers and they are not aware about the basics of ChatGPT. They don't even use the prompts that is dedicated only for digital marketers. They're not aware about the extension inside the chat GPT. And that's why what I've decided is that I'm going to share entire secrets, the entire prompts, almost 60 to 80 prompts, which I use on daily basis when it comes to generating any kind of content or creating prompt, or in a lot of cases analyzing buyer behavior, analyzing ad performance, creating the competitor analysis. Along with that, how I prepare the marketing proposal using ChatGPT. Everything I'm going to share in this video. Along with that, the most important part, I would say the juice of this video is that if you stick with me till the end, I'll share the entire document of the prompts with you. And yes, you'll get the entire document instantly if you are part of my marketing community. That means a community that is dedicated for digital marketers. Now, if you're not part of this community, quick overview that this community has started to help all the digital marketers, people who are into digital marketing, or someone who is trying to get into digital marketing in the UK or European markets. So the link of that group is in the description. Go ahead and join, and I will see you in that community. But for now, let's start the video. Alright, so to begin with, I'm using ChatGPT Plus, that is the premium version of ChatGPT. You can use both free or paid, doesn't matter. But yeah, in paid version, sometimes you get more options as well as you're able to put more data. I'll directly start with the ChatGPT 4.0. So first of all, we are going to analyze the buyer persona, and to do that, we are going to put this prompt. Act as the CMO of a D2C startup. I have connected customer interviews. Can you summarize the main pain points and explain why they find our product useful? So I click enter. You will see the main pain points identified: convenience, price sensitivity, time constraint, lack of personalization, and why customers find your product useful is already there. All the point that is a very important points which you should consider as a digital marketer is already there. So this is for the first prompt, that is if you want to analyze your buyer persona. You can put more prompt. If you put the website as well, it will give you more ideas as well as data. Number two, we are going to analyze the ad performance, which is a very important part. A lot of people, without analyzing the ongoing ad or without analyzing the ongoing campaign, they directly pause the campaign and they start doing all the A and B testing, or they directly start putting more money on another campaign. So idea is you have to analyze your ad campaign. So to analyze the ad campaign, you are going to use this prompt, that is I am reporting on meta ads. Here's the data: impression, CTR, conversion, and CPC. How can I visualize in Excel to impress my head of performance marketing, or you can say the CEO or CMO? Now in this case, I'm not putting the impressions, CTR, or conversion. You can easily do that. Go to your Facebook dashboard, download the impression, CTR, and conversion, put the data into Excel or Google Sheets, and you will see the visualization in the ChatGPT. Now I'll enter and see how the ChatGPT is going to present my data. So first, again, they have recommended organize your data, create key visualization. I mean, in some cases, ChatGPT doesn't literally give you the pie chart or you can see the data point, but you'll get more idea of how to present your dashboard and how to report your KPIs, or you can say your ad performance, in front of your manager, founder, or let's say your client. Number three, a very important and a very interesting prompts a lot of people doesn't use is analyzing competitors' behavior, or you can say analyzing competitors' keywords as well as your landing pages. Now, how you'll do it is, in this case, I'm going to use two company. I'm going to take, let's say, Boat as well as Noise in the Indian market. They are the very famous brand right now. I mean, they are of course having losses, but yeah, I'm going to take their brand. So the prompt which I'm going to put here is, what are the key search terms or keywords used by Boat Lifestyle and Noise in their online advertising campaign? I'm going to click enter, and we'll see a two different version in the chat GPT. You can enable the canvas, there is a feature in ChatGPT where you can start editing while the ChatGPT is giving you the prompts. For now, we are saying one particular answer from ChatGPT, and that is the boat lifestyle. They have given the product specific keywords, brand related keywords, feature specific keywords, and on the other hand, for noise, they have again given the same three kind of keyword: product specific, brand related keyword, feature specific keywords, which is very useful. Now, what I'll do is to go one more step ahead is I'm going to write campaign idea for meta ads which I can use to share a proposal. Now, when you write this prompt, you'll able to see they are going to give you the entire proposal. They are going to put campaign name, campaign strategy, ad format, ad creative, all kind of formats and creatives which you can use into the proposal. Now talking about proposal only, you can use ChatGPT entirely to create a marketing or digital marketing proposal, and you can share that to the clients. You can use websites like freelancers, fiverr.com to get more clients. And yeah, this day LinkedIn is a master tool when it comes to acquiring client for digital marketing. Now the prompt which you're going to use is quite simple. I'm not going to use any prompt. I'll take one website. For instance, I'll be taking a website. Let me take my own website or a client website I recently worked on. So I'll type goldmailmarkets.com. I'll just take the address for now, and then I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll write, give me a detailed digital marketing plan for this website. When you put the website, you'll see that the answer of ChatGPT in that case will be very accurate. You'll be able to see the paid ad strategy, what other platform you should use. So in this case, they have adopted and they have recommended to use Google Ads, Meta Ads, LinkedIn Ads, YouTube Ads, and TikTok Ads. Now, this is totally on to you which platform you want to go ahead with, but this is just an idea. You cannot exactly copy and paste into your proposal because you're not going to get the marketing, or let's say you're not able to convert the client. So simply what you have to do is you have to customize this as per your own understanding. Try to put more data about the website or about the need which client have. So in this case, I'm not going to use TikTok ads. I might remove Google display ads. Again, you can take budget allocation. SEO strategy, you can take technical SEO on page and off page. I can remove blog content, and then in the conversion optimization I can again take A&B testing. I can take UX improvement, because when I go through the website I'm seeing a lot of changes which requires on UX and UI, so I can take that as well. And yep, you can see you'll able to get the entire proposal just by putting these particular prompts. Number 5, a very important prompts which you can use to analyze your campaign performance inside the ChatGPT. And to do that, this is the prompt which you are going to use. So what you're going to do is you're going to use this prompt in the ChatGPT. Along with that, you need to make sure that you are uploading the campaign performance, or you can say the campaign report inside the ChatGPT. So the prompt is, analyze my lead generation campaign performance over the last 80 days. Give me your recommendations on where I can improve. So what I'll do in this case, I am going to upload the recent dashboard, upload the recent data, that means report. Now you will able to get the report inside your Facebook Ads Manager. I already have downloaded the report from my Ads Manager. So what I'll do, I'll directly go and upload the report in the ChatGPT. Now once you uploaded your ads report, you can directly click on enter. And you will see that ChatGPT will give you the recommendations as well as areas where you need to improve on your campaign. So let's see my campaign, how it's performing and where I can improve. So as per ChatGPT, the area which we need to improve is optimize cost per result. We are currently getting the CPL of 287. The recommendation is refine your audience targeting, use detailed demographic, interest and behavior to focus on high potential leads. And then second point, they have given enhanced campaign reach and impressions. The Germany Unified this is significantly lower reach and impressions compared to the Germany Unified. So we have created two campaign. Now they have given the recommendation of basically after comparing both the campaign where we can improve in terms of reach. So apart from that, increase result, that is the conversion, ensure a seamless landing page experience. Page should be load quickly, mobile friendly. Again, use retargeting strategies to enhance or engage users who interacted with you or with your ads but didn't convert. These things are quite common, but again, you're able to see a whole picture of your campaign, which is very important. So, for instance, even I am taking notice of this that some campaign doesn't have a clear KPI, which I need to make sure that we are tracking the right KPIs. So if you see, they have given in the recommendation that set clear KPIs for each campaign to track progress more effectively. All right. Next, number 6 is plan email sequences. To do that, you have to simply write this particular prompts, that is create 5 email sequences for my attendance of the webinar on how to redesign a website from scratch. Include subject line, content outline, and call to action. So again, what I'll do, I'll put this prompt in the chat GPT and we'll see that they have given multiple email copies. So email 1, thank you for attending. The content outline is thank you note, quick recap, webinar recording and resources link. And then in CTA, they have mentioned access the recording and checklist now, which is quite amazing. In the second option, overcome redesign challenges. In the third email option, build a winning website strategy. Again, so you have got multiple recommendations from ChatGPT, and you can use based on your own understanding as well as requirement. Number 7, to suggest negative keywords for Google Ads. The prompt which you're going to use is as an experienced PPC manager, or you can say Google Ads manager, suggest specific negative keywords for a campaign targeting 18 to 25. I'll take 26 for this example. Years old interested in marketing courses in the UK. Now, when you put this prompt, you'll be able to see lot of specific negative keyword, which is very important because a lot of people, when they create campaign, especially the Google Ads campaign, they forgot to put negative keywords. So idea is all the people, whoever is designing or you can say creating Google Ads, you must be taking the keywords. You need to make sure that you are dividing your keywords and adding negative keywords as well, which is very important. So using this prompt, you'll be able to see there are a lot of negative keywords, which is very important for you to put. General relevant keywords is free, jobs, internships, templates, PDF, videos. Unqualified audiences, again, high school kids, retirees, non-English speakers, locations outside the target, and then how to beginner blog. A very important thing I would say, which every paid media buyer or anyone who is starting paid ads, they should use these kind of prompts. Number 8 is improve website conversion, a very important prompt which I use very often. So what I'll do for this is I'll just use this prompt that is based on the UX research suggests improvements to increase conversion from visitors to paid users. So what I'll do, I'll put my website as well. And then ChatGPT will give me a lot of recommendations for this particular UX research as well as recommendations. The recommendation which I've got for the website is clarify value propositions, enhance navigations and enhance navigation and information architecture, enhance navigation and information architecture, improve visual design and consistency, and lot more recommendations and suggestions which I can use. And number 9 is build content for any of your ads and copy, and this is like quite common. I use it very often. So what I'll do is, for this instance, I'll use this prompt. You can use any other prompt if you want to generate any ad copies for any of your Facebook ads, Google ads, or let's say YouTube ads as well. So in this case, I've taken 60 seconds YouTube ad script, stress-free workflows with the project which you want to use, or the project or any kind of thing which you want to start. So the script is quite clear here. I can say transformation scene, features, highlight, social proof, and testimonial. And you are good to go using this particular prompt. Number 10 and last but not least is validate campaign estimates, a very important prompt which you should use as a digital marketer. And that is, I am a head performance marketing at a B2B company. Review these LinkedIn ad estimates and suggest 3 areas of improvement. You can put 4 to 5 areas as well, depending on the improvement which you need. Now, what I'll do is, in this case, I'm going to put more data, because you need to make sure that every time you're using ChatGPT, you're providing lot of data sets. You can use tools like Notebook LLM and Perplexity.ai to get more resources. And the more data as well as resources you're going to provide to ChatGPT, the better information you're going to get. So this is it for now. To get the entire ChatGPT prompts, see the description, and don't forget to join my private community where I am helping people one-on-one, as well as we are having weekly call for all the digital marketers who are applying for jobs in the UK as well as European.